One of our student Deeksha, she has got offered to, so she will share experience. How was the training year and how was the interview process? Yeah, Deeksha.
Hi, my name is Deeksha Naik. I am a BCA graduate from SDM Degree College, Nanagal. So I joined QSpider in the month of November. So I started with SQL, which was taken by Avinash sir. Then I joined manual testing subject. So it was taken by Gautam sir and Pradeep sir. Then Java was taken by Tejas sir. Selenium was taken by Rahul sir. API was taken by Jeevan sir. So this all subject training helped me to crack the interview. So aptitude was the main thing to crack the interview. So it was taken by Selva sir. So he has explained each and every topics so thoroughly that we can solve each and every problem easily in the interview. So there were 3 rounds. First round was a written aptitude test round. So in that round, 30 questions were aptitude, like mathematical aptitudes. 30 questions were not 30, 15 questions were based on manual testing. In aptitude, they asked about boards and streams problem and speed problems, then calendar problems. In manual testing, they told to write answers for few questions like what is manual testing, what are the types. Then they asked to write defect report and test case for given scenario. Then second round was a technical round. In there they asked all the questions of all the subjects like manual, SQL, Java and Selenium. In manual they mainly asked about regression, then usability testing, then why do you write test cases and why do you write negative test cases even if you are covered that test case coverage, you have covered the test cases, why you will write the negative test cases. So they asked these questions. In Selenium they asked about how do you handle alert pop-ups. Then in Java they asked about hierarchy of exceptions. Then how do you handle multiple cache blocks. That's all in first round. Then in second round it was taken by manager, so he asked more applied questions, like he asked applied questions for loops, like which loops we will use for the given situations. He has given one situation and he asked which loop you will use based on the situation, and that's all about that. Then one HR round was there, and then I joined on 17th.
17th.
That's all.
Good. Congrats. All the very best. God bless you.
Thanks.